Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making spaghetti. Now listen, I'm sure by now a lot of y'all already know how to make spaghetti, but I just want to show y'all how I make it my way. It's nothing really fancy about it. I'm just making spaghetti. Now in this video y'all will see me look stiff as heck. I cannot move my neck. I have a massive headache, so excuse me for being stiff or whatever, because I can't move it and it hurts really bad. So that's what we're doing today, okay? I'm gonna try my best to get this video done. But in the meantime, don't forget to get y'all cookbooks. They are on Amazon. Y'all know y'all can search my name or the title of the book, Get Cooking and Keep Cooking. Also, it is in the description below. Just press that more button and you will see cookbook, and there's a link for it, okay? But without further ado, y'all, let's get into it.
Say a word, keep giving me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love it.
So the first thing I'm gonna do, y'all, is add a little oil, just a little bit. Add the meatballs and the sausage that I cut up. This is just beef sausage and some Italian meatballs. They already came pre-mixed and pre-made, so that's why I'm gonna just use it like this, because I didn't feel like balling up and making no meatballs. So, yeah. Now that it has a little color on it, we're gonna remove it. We're gonna add onions and green bell pepper. I'm just gonna begin to glaze with this. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until we add the ground beef. Okay, so it's a little translucent. Been in there for about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna just add the meat. And we're just gonna brown the ground beef a little. Y'all see, as soon as I put that ground beef in, everything off the bottom came up, all that flavor from the sausage and the meatballs. So you just continue to scrape that up. It should have come up pretty easy. So now we're just gonna add our seasonings. This is seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, crushed red peppers, black pepper. And once this cooked down, you can taste it and see what else you need to add. We're just gonna add some garlic. Now we're gonna add our sausage and meatballs back in. Since I didn't have any grease in this, that's the reason why I didn't take no grease out. But if you got grease in yours, make sure you pour that grease off. And please don't pour it down your sink. Now we're gonna add some to spaghetti sauce. And I'm using just the Prego roasted garlic knife. Remember that when you are seasoning, that you are going to be putting tomato sauce in here that also has flavor, so you don't want to make it too salty or whatever. So we're going to turn this on low and we're going to let it simmer for maybe like 20 minutes. By now y'all should already know how to make spaghetti noodles. Just make it by the package. Boil some water, put some salt in there, no oil, and boil it just like how the package is. Whatever it say. We got a few minutes left. We're going to put our garlic bread in. And just make sure that y'all stirring in between. Make sure nothing's sticking at that bottom. Okay, y'all, this is done. Yep. Now we're just gonna plate it. So if you don't like your spaghetti separated, once the meat is done, you can go ahead and mix it together. I like mine like this. So I'm just adding a little parsley. Normally I would have added some basil, but I ain't got none, so we're gonna do parsley. Hey y'all, so we do have this little cucumber salad. I was gonna make like a regular one, but I wanted this cucumber one, and we have some garlic bread as well. And y'all, this is just salt and pepper, tomato, cucumber, and pepper cheese. That's it. Just to pair with this spaghetti. So this is how it came out, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!